What's the meaning of acquittal? Acquittal. 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 Acquittal refers to a legal verdict that declares a person not guilty of the charges or crimes they were accused of. In other words, when a defendant is acquitted, it means that they have been found innocent and will not be punished or held liable for the alleged misconduct. Acquittals can be the result of various factors such as lack of evidence, a faulty investigation, or an incorrect charge brought against the defendant. The outcome of an acquittal typically results in the person being released from custody or avoiding further legal consequences. But it does not imply that the person was not involved in the incident or crime at all.